Today, the president has launched Boda Boda investment scheme, and in his speech, the president took time to explain to the Boda Boda operators on their potential of in terms of the income that they generate in the country yearly, weekly, and the importance of saving. That is a point that the president has emphasized so much. And just to take me down on what the president was speaking today, the national chair, Boda Boda National Chair, Kevin Mubadi, is here with me, and I would just want to hear what he has to say about President's speech today. What do you make of that?
Okay, for real, it was a very good speech, and it was so encouraging for us as the youth of this country, as the Boda Boda riders, as people who have been always seen as people who doesn't make sense in this country. It is so humbling that the President of the Republic of Kenya came to sit with the Boda Boda riders, to be with them, share with them the information, and give them hope and courage that for him, himself, and his government, they are ready to support us when we come together and be one thing. And he is really supporting the road or the route that we have taken to ensure that we empower ourselves and we are not misused by the politicians or in any other way.
I don't know what now you have to tell the other Boda Boda operators in the country in terms of savings and what the president is saying, taking pride in what you do. And he's also talked about paying yourself first. What do you take of that? What do you make of that?
Okay, it is so encouraging. The president said you must pay yourself first, because for a very long time our members, they don't take care of themselves. They get a lot of money, but this money just gets wasted. But now the president had given us a direction that we must first of all pay ourselves. And in paying ourselves, what he means is save as much as you can. Whatever you can get today, save it. It's for yourself. It is not for anyone else. So that is the point that the president was driving home.
I do not know whether you are aware whether the whole country there are circles, Boda Boda circles. What would you give us in terms of statistics? Do you think that in the country, all counties, we have Boda Boda circles and a scheme of how Boda Boda operators save in various counties, not only in Nairobi?
Yeah, we have several schemes across the country, but they are not that much strong. That's why we are coming together to put all our savings together to be the giant that the government will be proud of.
What is your take home today?
My take home is that I'm very happy, and I want to appreciate all these officials from across the country for coming here today. The other thing, I want to appreciate His Excellency Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, the President of the Republic of Kenya, for recognizing and accepting our invite. As the people, meeting Boda Boda rider national leadership, it is not an easy thing to meet the president. But he took that initiative to come and meet us. I want to say this shows that the government has already respected us. So it is us to respect the government and the people we work in and support the government in anything that they do. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That is the national chair, Kevin Mubadi, breaking down on what his take-home is on today's meeting with the president, and he has emphasized on the need of Boda Boda riders coming together, saving together, because they are a powerhouse, as the president has indicated in his speech earlier today. From me here, Pumwani Social Hall, I take you back to KBC Broadcasting House. Jackie Wamiro, back to you.
Well, that was our reporter Beatrice Gatonye from Pumwani Social Hall discussing matters on the empowerment of Boda Boda operators across the country. Now